Welcome to Ridhvej Finance. We are going to talk about PB Fintech Limited. Hey guys, do you know the ad about Policy Bazaar, Paisa Bazaar and all? This company has changed their name from Policy Bazaar to PB Fintech Limited. So that's the reason maybe PB Fintech people know much because of their advertising strategy. Ridhvej Finance will talk about the IPO analysis only rather than focusing on their strategic management. Ridhvej Finance presenting PB Fintech IPO. PB Fintech Limited Policy Bazaar is there going to list into the market IPO 2021. PB Fintech Limited company detail. ETECHACES Marketing and Consulting Private Limited, National Capital of Territory of Delhi and Haryana at New Delhi. They have registered in the New Delhi on June 4th, 2008. Subsequently, the name of company has changed PB Fintech Private Limited pursuant to a fresh certificate in incorporation issue by the ROC on the September 18, 2020. PB Fintech Limited and a fresh certificate of incorporation dated June 30, 2021. Our company has entered into separation of intellectual property license agreements with a certain of our subsidiaries, namely Policy Bazaar, Paisa Bazaar, Doc Prime and Accurex, under which of our company is being owner of various trademark has agreed to grant the affirmation subsidiaries recoverable, non-exclusive and non-transferable license to use of trademark Policy Bazaar, Paisa Bazaar, Doc Prime and Quick Fix cars respectively. Annual payment is a 5% of respective subsidiaries revenue from the operation into each financial year. Such agreement of typical valid for 5 years with an option of renew by mutual consent may be terminated by either party is giving 30 days written notice. So in that case, we are going to talk about the milestones of the company. 2008, the incorporation of our company. 2008, investment of US $4 million by InfoEdge in our company. 2010, commencement of the health and insurance related activity. 2012, registration of one subsidiaries of our company, an insurance web aggregator with IRDA AI. 2015, registration of Paisa Bazaar as an investment advisory with the SEBI. 2018, build in-house actuarial analysis team with respect of retail customer sales. 2018, reaches to the US $1 billion valuation mark with the series of F investment. 2018, commencement of operation in the United Arab by PFFL. 2021, registration of Policy Bazaar as insurance broker with IRDA. 31st March 2021, we have had 7,310 full-time employee. None of our employee has represented by labor union, and they are based in Sector 44, Gurgaon, Haryana 122001. Telephone number is 124-456-2907. For further information, pbfintech.in. You can log on there. PB Fintech Limited company detail. The company has 7 direct subsidiaries. Policy Bazaar Insurance Broker Private Limited, formerly known as Policy Bazaar Insurance Web Aggregator Private Limited. Paisa Bazaar Marketing and Consulting Private Limited, that is nothing but Paisa Bazaar. Doc Prime Technology Private Limited, that is only Doc Prime. This is call support services, that is iCall Service Support Services Private Limited, that is iCall. Accurex Marketing and Consulting Private Limited, that is Accurex. PB Marketing and Consulting Private Limited, PB Marketing, formerly known as the Policy Bazaar Insurance Broking Private Limited. PB Fintech FZ LLC, that is PFFL. There are investors: Chirate, InfoEdge, Enventures, Premji Investment, SoftBank, SteadyView, TMAS, Masek, Tiger Global, True North, Wellington, Falcon, QLP, Motherson. We are going to talk about the PB Fintech Limited IPO detail. Symbol will be Policy Bazaar. Issue period will be 1st November 2021 till 3rd November 2021. Post issue modification period will be 8th November 2021 from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Cutoff time for UPI mandate confirmation 8th November 2021 up to 12 p.m. Issue size is basically rupees 37,500 million, and issue type is 100% book building issue. Price range band between rupees 940 to 980. Face value 2 rupees. Ticket size rupees RE1. Bid lot will be 15 equity shares in multiple thereof. Minimum order quantity 15 shares. Maximum order quantity. Maximum subscription amount retail investor is 2 lakh. IPO market timing is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager will be Citigroup Global Market India Private Limited, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, ICICI Securities Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, IIFL Securities Limited, and Jefferies India Private Limited. Dear investors, PB Fintech Limited IPO subscription prediction given by Vridhivesh Finance. We are expecting the subscription predictions. We are expecting this subscription happen between minimum 35% or maximum 75% up to, because this is IPO of the week. There are 3 to 4 IPOs coming on the same date. Please keep watch on grey market strategy risk, market risk on own decision. Thank you. By Vridhivesh Finance. And dear investors, yes, are you really think to be invest into this kind of startup companies? This is not a startup company. Basically, they have done really great business, since they are having a lot of investors which are market leader too. So that's the reason we are not going to say anything about it. We will talk about something which might be, see, they are having since 2008. Not only that, but they are having they are having great kind of investment in this kind of products like Paisa Bazaar, Policy Bazaar and all. So choice is yours. Please study from your end before investing into the market, and then we will come back with the new GMP prediction after a long time for all IPOs which are coming in this weekend and month end, and which will be which will be open their listing. The listing date will be after Diwali, post Diwali. So wait till we will put our GMP prediction.